When you're ordering parts online or at your dealer, and you're ordering parts for a bike that is not your bike, but you want to fit them to your bike, what you need is a parts diagram. The same diagram that the dealer parts counter guys use when they're looking for parts. Now, sometimes when you type, say, Goldwing 1800 foot pegs, you're probably going to find the specific foot peg you're looking for. And I can see 4 or 5 of them here that look just like the ones that I ordered. But what you might need to type is Goldwing 1800 foot pegs diagram. And then you'll find the diagram that the parts guys use. And from there, you don't need the full part number. What you need is the number on the diagram and the model year that you selected. When you call your parts counter, and you can do this by phone, you can tell them which number you need, and they can translate that into a full part number. On this page, you will scroll and scroll and scroll because there's so many model years and they're all the same. You might ask yourself, which one do I pick? Well, pick your model year, or close to it. But I'm going to pick this one because I'm feeling lucky. Here you're going to see the diagram of the 2 foot pegs, the right and the left. These are not the actual part numbers. They are the reference numbers that you can use to derive the part numbers. Sometimes there are unique part numbers for left and right. The arm steps here are different from left to right. All other parts are the same left to right. There are parts here that you can find in your garage, and they're pretty easy to get from a hardware store. I buy a lot of cheaper hardware at my hardware store. You will save quite a bit of money just on these small parts. This is Christopher Thunder saying thanks for watching and bye-bye.